how understanding the meaning of sustainability or sustainable development will make you rich in property investment. Hi everybody, I'm Daniele Gambero, Dr. Daniele Gambero, the Propenomist, and today I'm going to explain in very simple words what sustainable development means. Sustainable development means a development that, first of all, is following the demand in the market. Meaning, someone is looking in the market to buy properties between 400 and 500,000 ringgit, that project is offering 400 to 500,000 ringgit. Sustainable means a project that is easily accessible. Sustainable means a project which follows the predicament of Propenomy, means is based on economic growth in the proximity. You cannot have a white elephant in the middle of the jungle. You must have a township. Townships are normally very sustainable projects, all right? Why? Because within a township you have low cost, you have middle cost, affordable housing, you have a bit higher cost, you have business, you have retail, you have schools, you have shop lots, you have some industry, all of this. This is the meaning of sustainable. Sustainable, using common sense, means a making sense project. Unfortunately, you go around today, you really can see plenty of unsustainable development. Sustainable, one more point, sustainable means a project which is purchased by a good 60 to 70% by people that will use the project, will stay there. Very important. You want to get your property to rise in value? Make sure you don't go into a project with too many investors. All right, I've been posting some video clip on this, at least one or two in the past couple of weeks. Go back into my Facebook page and scroll down, you will find them. Please be a smart Propenomy investor. If you don't know how, leave a comment below, like my page first, then you leave a comment below and say, I want to know more. We will reach out and help you understanding even better the meaning of sustainable development. All right, this is all for today. Ciao, ciao.